Artificial Intelligence, Principles and Applications Lecture Number 2, Intelligent Agents. This chapter discusses the intelligent agents and its scopes in artificial intelligence. Intelligent agent is a program or a software which is capable of making decisions based on the inputs which it receives or through some experiences. Machine learning process produces numerous intelligent models either in the form of software or adaptive programs. These models are very useful for various applications. For example, a spam filter in the email server will act as an intelligent software component. We call this system as an intelligent agent. Intelligent agents can be called as software entities which process some operations on behalf of an end user or another program with some degree of independence. Agents employ some knowledge or represent the user's goals or desires. Major differences between a program and an agent is in its size, purpose, persistence and autonomy. Agents are divided into 5 classes based on their degree of perceived intelligence and capability. A human agent is eyes, ears, and any other organs. Anything which can perceive its environment through sensors and react to the environmental stimuli through actuators can be termed as an agent. The hands, legs, mouth, and other body parts for actuators. A robotic agent is any one of cameras and infrared rangefinders for sensors and various motors for actuators. Intelligent agents are described as an abstract functional system similar to a computer program. Before designing an agent, we have to understand the type, action, goal and environment in which it works. The intelligent agent structure is the combination of agent function, architecture and agent program. Consider the creation of a medical diagnosis system. Major objective is to find the symptoms from patients and to provide answers to patients' queries. This is achieved by various actions like tests, questions, and treatments. The environment is patient or hospital and goal can be seen as healthy people with reduced treatment costs. These type of agents respond to events based on predefined rules which are pre-programmed. They perform well only when the environment is fully observable. These agents are helpful only on a limited number of cases, something like a smart thermostat. It is an advanced version of the simple reflex agent. Like simple reflex agents, it can also respond to events based on the predefined conditions. On top of that, it also has the capability to store the internal state based on previous events. Model-based agents update the internal state at each step. These internal states aid agents in handling the partially observable environment. The action taken by these agents depends on the distance from their goal. The actions are intended to reduce the distance between the current state and the desired state. In order to attain its goal, it makes use of the search and planning algorithm. One drawback of goal-based agents is that they don't always select the most optimized path to reach the final goal. The action taken by these agents depends on the end objective, so they are called utility agent. Utility agents are used when there are multiple solutions to a problem and the best possible alternative has to be chosen. The alternative chosen is based on each state's utility. They perform a cost-benefit analysis of each solution and select the one which can achieve the goal in minimum cost. Learning agents have learning abilities so they can learn from their past experiences. These types of agents can start from scratch and over time can acquire significant knowledge from their environment. The learning agents have 4 major components which enable it to learn from its past experience. They are critic, learning element, performance element and problem generator. These agents are typically interconnected. Environment of the agent can be anything that is surrounding an agent. It may not be any part of the agent but can be a situation which the agent currently belongs to. The link between agent and environment can be stated in a single statement. Actions are done by the agent on environment which in turn provides precepts to the agent. An environment becomes completely effective once the sensors can process all mapping to the choice of action of the agent. Agents also prefer an accessible environment because it may need to keep track of the world in another memory if it is not completely accessible. An empty room whose state can be defined by its temperature is an example of an accessible environment. Inaccessible environment is generally vague. It only states the place of action to the mapped objectives. If the next state of environment is completely determined by the current state and the action selected by the agents, then we say that the environment is deterministic. In a real-world situation, no environment of an artificial intelligence is deterministic, because the artificial intelligence itself has a built-in method for selecting states that has to account for some randomness. For example, in the case of tic-tac-toe having this environment state and two artificial intelligence agents like black and white coins, and it is currently the white's turn. Choosing the rightmost bottom square always guarantees a win for the white artificial intelligence agent. There are no instances where that action in this situation does not guarantee a win for said artificial intelligence agent. In episodic environments, the experiences of agents are treated as separate screens or separate episodes. Each screen contains the agent receiving some input and performing a mapped action. For example, a bot agent which does myocardial infarction prediction need to keep track of all the prevailing medical conditions and suggest the health-related solutions. Such an agent cannot work independently with the environment. It is highly dependent and continuous. Your.md is a free platform that offers actionable health information based on highly accurate sources and lets the user make the best choices for his health. It is basically a symptom checker powered by artificial intelligence. In dynamic environment, agents should track the past action history to an earlier version of the new environment. The actions which turn positives and negative are stored for further performance improvement. Static environment is easier to handle and it can just look at the world around at that instance and make a decision on its action. A chess match which happens across 64 different squares with a limited number of action is a perfect example for discrete environment. There are situations where this classification is seen very closely to deterministic and stochastic, just because of the limitation of search space. For example, consider an agent which is designed specifically for tracking movement in dark. The sensors are so placed that it gets activated when the environment turns dark. The agent constantly deploys signals to check the conditions, and once it finds appropriate environment, the motion detection cameras are automatically triggered to find the movements. In case of a multi-agent environment, there are multiple instances which need to be triggered for an agent. It can be some background knowledge about the states or can be the relative information from another one. Activities deployed on neural nets can be seen as a major example for this type of environment. For example, in solitaire card games, we know the rules but we are still unable to see the cards that have not yet been turned over. Conversely, an unknown environment can be fully observable. In a new video game, the screen may show the entire game state but we still do not know what the buttons do until we try them. An autonomous agent is a system situated within and a part of an environment that senses that environment and acts on it, over time, in pursuit of its own agenda and so as to effect what it senses in the future. For example, it is familiar to anyone who enjoys jumping in water. If I make a big splash in the pool, I then get to experience the series of ripples generated by my antecedent action. So, when an agent acts on the environment, it senses the impact of its own acts, along with other events that fall within its domain. Nature-inspired agents are nowadays most common in medical fields. It is basically used as a medical assistance to both patients and doctors. Let us have a brief discussion on a smell detection agent. How do dogs trace path? It is through the smell. The smell of hormones is very specific and it guides them. Here the smell acts as the agent. The agent provides input to perform specific action. The goal can be described as the endpoint where the dog needs to reach. Hence, a total agent cycle is completed. The agent first generates a goal to achieve, and then constructs a plan to achieve it from its current state. Once it has a plan, it keeps executing it until the plan is finished, then begins again with a new goal. Truck route planning can be seen as a typical example where planning agents work with 100% accuracy. We have to make certain assumptions while planning an agent. Truck route planning is a skill task, requiring a great deal of local knowledge about roads, traffic and restrictions. It can also be a time-consuming task if done manually. In an ideal world, the transport manager would carry out a debrief once the driver finishes all of his deliveries. The driver will provide feedback on the planned route or explain the reason for a late delivery or detour to input into the next day's truck route planning exercise. In reality, it is rarely possible for a transport manager to debrief all the drivers immediately upon return and record all of the information formally. The feedback process becomes ad hoc and dependent upon the planner remembering what a driver has said to help improve future route plans. As we have learned many agent types, let us summarize how the agents can be represented in the easiest way. One widely accepted model is termed as the PEAS representation model. PEAS stands for Performance Measures, Environment, Actuators, and Sensors. Here any agent is represented using 4 different attributes: performance measure, environment, actuators and sensors. For example, an autonomous car which acts as an intelligent agent which perceives input through the cameras and processes the signals to have a safe ride. All those devices through which the car gets an estimate about its surroundings and it can draw certain perceptions out of those are its sensors. For example, camera, speedometer, GPS, odometer, sonar, etc. The concept of an intelligent database views database as a system that manages information rather than data in a way that appears natural to users and which goes beyond simple record keeping. Simply, intelligent database system equals traditional database system plus intelligent system. For example, search synonyms for information anxiety in a database is given. The concept of intelligent database assumes 3 levels of intelligence for such systems: high-level tools, user interface, and database engine. High-level tools manage data quality and automatically discover relevant patterns in the data with a process called data mining. This layer often relies on the use of artificial intelligence techniques. The user interface uses hypermedia in a form that uniformly manages text, images and numeric data. The intelligent database engine supports other 2 layers, often merging relational database techniques with object orientation. A search word, synonyms for information anxiety can be operated in different ways in a database. Database stores the history of search that can normally be used in future. Intelligent databases have now become widespread. For example, hospital databases can now call up patient histories consisting of charts, text and X-ray images just with a few mouse clicks, and many corporate databases include decision support tools based on sales pattern analysis, etc. There are applications wherein once we give our photo it generates a picture saying how we will be looking after 10 years or 20 years. There is photo edit application which fits an extra sunglass or hat to our original image. We are just excited seeing these applications and leave it there. But does that data end there? No. Such images are data for various other applications like face recognition and prediction. They use such warped images to train internally to produce more accurate results. Thus, even a data which is not worthy in a user's eye will be a piece of valuable information to others. You may please check the exercise in this chapter for understanding the improvements.